What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, lately a lot of persons has contacted me privately asking questions like, hey Don, where can I get foreign phone numbers to register on platforms like Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and etc. And let's say you're actually a cross-border business traveler, an international student, or someone who frequently registers on overseas platform. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very simple solution using the LESIM. Okay, as you can see up here, it's a platform that provides an eSIM with a Hong Kong phone number you can use to receive SMS verification codes from many global platforms. Okay, and the best part is that you can get 20% off your first order and even invite friends to unlock discounts up to 50%. All right, so guys, make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay guys, so welcome back to the LESIM website homepage right now. So guys, what exactly is this service about? All right, so guys, the LESIM provides an eSIM with a Hong Kong phone number that allows you to receive SMS verification codes from different online platforms. Okay, and it's nothing like a traditional SIM card like our SIM cards that we actually use on our phones. Okay, and eSIM is digital. Okay, so this actually means that you don't need to insert any physical SIM card into your mobile phones. All right, so you can simply scan the QR code, install the eSIM, and your phone instantly gets access to the service. All right, so this actually makes it perfect for cross-border business travelers, international students, frequent travelers, people registering on overseas platforms, and etc. guys. Okay, so this actually means that, for instance, you are trying to register into a platform that is not accepted in your country. With the help of the LESIM, you can actually register into that platform, and boom guys, you can actually make use of it. Okay, so that is basically what this means. All right, so before you can start using the LESIM to actually carry out these services, you first of all need to have signed up successfully, guys. Okay, so how can you sign up? I'm going to be leaving a sign up link to the LESIM down below this video description, and also it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay, so while you are here, what you simply do is down below here that says don't have an account, sign up. You just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, and then you fill in all your details right here. It's quite easy. You just simply fill in your email. Then you hit on this place right here that says send verification code, and then a code will be sent down to your Gmail, guys. Okay, so when you actually receive the code, you just simply come and insert the code on the column that will be given to you. Okay, so that is basically how to do it. And you actually fill in the rest details right here, and boom guys, you hit on the register button. That is basically how you can sign up. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can get access to these numbers so you can start receiving SMS, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go down, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says log in. Okay, I'm going to log into my details right now. Okay, it's going to sign in right now, guys. Boom, so here we are. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically how the dashboard looks like. All right, so as you can see up here, guys, you actually have two options, which are the eSIM and as well the SIM card. Okay, so for the eSIM right here, you can only use the eSIM to receive SMS. Okay, so there are actually list of countries right here, as you can see, the Bahrain, Iraq, Philippines, Indian, and so on. Okay, so these are list of countries that are here, guys. All right, so if you actually want to get access to the eSIM right here, all you just simply do is hit on whatever country you actually want to get access to. For instance, I actually want to get access to Vietnam. I'm just simply going to hit on Vietnam right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see, these are the plans right here. They have a 5 days plan right here that costs about $3.16, as you can see right here. And they also have a 7 days plan that actually costs the sum of $5.04. They also have a 7 days plan right here again that costs $5.75 with a 3 gig plan, as you can see up here. The first one is actually 1 gig plan. So the plans are here. You can actually see the plans right here: 3 gig, 5 gig. So let's say you actually want to go for probably the 3 gig right here. You just simply hit on it and also check the plan details. Okay, you can see the plan details option over here. You can just simply hit on it and just check on it. As you can see, it says validity is 15 days, price is $10. Okay, and it says that this eSIM plan includes data only, no phone number. All right, please activate your data plan within 30 days. After expiration, the order cannot be used or refunded. During the validity period, network service will stop when data is used up. Data can only be used locally in the countries covered by the plan. Okay, so what this last part actually means is that if you actually leave Vietnam to another country, it's not going to work in another country. It only works in the country where you actually registered the number with. Okay, that is basically what they actually mean right here. Okay, so that is it, guys. So let's say you actually want to make payment right now. All you can just simply do is down below here that says buy now. You just simply hit on the buy now button right here. Okay, and it's going to load up, guys. Okay, you can actually pay in USDT. All right, so that is it. So as you can see right here, it says total 10.12, and it's actually a 3 gig plan, guys. Okay, so over here that says I agree to the return policy, you just simply tick on this right here and hit on confirm payment. Okay, and mind you, if you actually have a coupon code, you can actually set up your coupon code right here by hitting on it, and then you actually get 20% off while using a coupon code. Okay, so that is it, guys. I'm going to exit this right now. So let's say you actually want to proceed with the payment. You just simply hit on confirm payment right here and it's going to load up. Okay, just give this some time, guys, so you actually see how the payment method looks like. Okay, so this is it. So as you can see right here, it says amount 10.12. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says pay now. Okay, so I'm going to select the token right now. As you can see, USDT, confirm, and then select the network. Okay, so let's say you actually want to pay with BNB, Ethereum, or Tron. You just simply select whatever network you actually want to select. So let's say you actually want to select BNB, you just simply hit on BNB and hit on confirm. Okay, they're going to be providing you with the network address. So you just simply hit on confirm. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So as you can see, guys, this is actually the address. You just simply copy the address, go over to your crypto wallet and send in the amount 10.12, and boom, guys, you can actually start making use of the eSIM in the particular country you are in. That is basically how you can go about this. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Let's go and see exactly how the SIM card section work. Okay, so I'm going to hit on SIM card right now. Here we are. So as you can see, guys, there are various countries right here that you can actually get a number. Okay, right here on the SIM card section, you can actually get a Hong Kong phone number. If I actually hit on this place right here that says United Kingdom right now. Okay, so these are the various plans right here, guys. Okay, so let's say you actually want to purchase the very first plan right here that says 180 days, you get 30 gig, and the amount is 63 USDT, as you can see. So let's actually look at the plan details right here, guys. I'm going to hit on plan details. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says this eSIM plan includes not only data but also a Hong Kong phone number for receiving free SMS messages. So as you can see over here, guys, you're going to be given a free Hong Kong phone number to receive free SMS messages wherever you are in the world. Okay, so that is basically how amazing it is, guys. Okay, so I'm going to exit right now, guys. Okay, I'm going to go back. Okay, so that is basically how you can actually purchase this SIM card right here to actually get access to whatsoever platform you actually want to get access to by receiving SMS messages fast and reliable, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it works. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this human icon right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says my orders, my invitations, my coupons. So if you actually have a coupon, they can actually give you right here by hitting on my coupon. You're going to be seeing your coupon over here. Okay, so as you can see, it says 20% off coupon applicable to all data plans. All right, so guys, when you actually sign up using my code, you're going to be giving a 20% off coupon, as you can see right here on your purchase. Okay, so make sure you actually grab this opportunity right now for yourself, to actually not be left out. All right, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys more and more opportunities right here on the LESIM card. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to synchronize the SIM card on your mobile phone to actually start using it, for the purpose at which you actually want to use it for. Okay, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Okay, turn on the bell icon to always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now has been uploaded right here on this channel. Okay, so guys, thank you once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.